To conclude this segment of the video, we want to know exactly what volume of each of these two buffer we have erased. We want to know exactly the volume. Now, if you check where in the this one we're working on, if you check the properties of this, we have a volume of 899. If we check the volume of our buffer 10, we will see that we have a volume of 4165. So we want to know the volume that they occupy at this. So to do that, see here has no volume, so we will have to add a volume to it. And to add volume, you will search a tool called add z information. We've used this tool before, so if you just say add z, you will see that add z information will come up. And once that is up, you input this intercept one, the one that we erased. So we're going to just go down and pick the last one. Then we're going to click on add the volume. If you want to add any of these, you can just select all and all of them will be added. So let's click on OK. Now all of them have been added. So if we move to see z value and all of that have been added. Now let's look for volume. We have a volume of how much? It's saying that the volume is 0. How is that possible? How is that possible that the volume is 0? Well, but you've seen the volume here, so you want to know the volume that has been taken out from here. What you need to do basically is to subtract this one by this one, or this one by this one. So if we look at this one now, I've added z value to it. You can see that it's 893, yeah, while the original buffer one is 899 by volume. You can see, where is the volume? Yes, 899. So if we subtract this by this, we'll be able to see the exact area that has been erased. All right, so we're going to do that by adding the intercept 3D. Intercept. We're using this one, intercept 3D. So this intercept 3D, we'll do the two together. So we're going to add this and this. So we'll first click on add buffer 1. Then the 2, we're going to add this. Oh, buffer 1 and buffer 2. We're not touching this, alright? So we'll click on this. So once that is doing, we'll do the second one so that we get what we're looking for. So then we add this one and this one. So click on this one. I'll click on this one. So click on OK. I'll uncheck this. So for this, if we turn like this, we're going to see how much of the volume, the intercept volume. Can you see? This is the intercept volume that has been taken away from the first one. Now let's check the second one, and the second one, this is the volume that has been taken away from it. Okay, so let me bring this by this side and add this. So I think they are in the same position, that's why it's like that. So I believe you've seen what we have been able to achieve. So you can achieve so much with these different tools, just understanding what each of them stand for. a lot of geoprocessing operation and analysis can be taken out from this. So this brings us to the end of this very segment of the series. So we wanted to have 3 parts, but now we ended up with a 4 parts just because the videos were getting longer. So thank you for sticking around and thank you for following through in this series. I will see you in the next video, but before then, don't forget to like, share, comment, and share again, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.